Let's get ready. There. Smile on your face.
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Welcome to Wednesday. It is important to note that we will see progress when we do something consistently, but I have to say this one thing. There is only one true real life partner. You know what? That's our own body, isn't it? सिर्फ एक ही चीज है जो हमेशा आपका साथ रहेगी, वो है आपका शरीर। तो आज शुरू करते हैं एक ब्रीदिंग एक्टिविटी से जिसका नाम है ब्रेथ ऑफ जॉय, in which we also show a little bit of love to our own body. So breathe in, expand your hands. Breathe out, contract and hug yourself. अपने ही शरीर को धन्यवाद दे सकते हैं. You can say thank you to your body. Breathe in, expand your hands with a smile on the face and breathe out. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. And relax. This is called the breath of joy. So you actually increase the joy and happiness by expanding the body. Let's all stand up and continue to walk. We will work on our upper body today, but before that, let me give you a small hack. एक छोटी सी चीज जो आप करिए जिससे आपको लाइफ में बहुत फायदा होगा, वो ये है, पहले मैं बता देता हूँ प्रॉब्लम क्या है। आपने बहुत लोगों को ऐसे चलते हुए देखा होगा, धीरे धीरे, छोटे छोटे कदम लेके. There is a problem that our mobility and flexibility at our hip joint reduces. And how do we not let it happen? By taking longer steps. So let's do this activity today. I want you to take intentional long step even while you're walking in your house, in your office, anywhere you go out, कहीं भी आप walk कर रहे हो, आपको खुद से थोड़ा कोशिश करके लंबे कदम चलना है. Let's do it 10 times. 1, 2. अभी प्रैक्टिस के लिए थोड़े ज्यादा लंबे लेंगे, बट जब एक्चुअली वॉक करेंगे तो ऐसे वॉक मत करना, लोग आपको थोड़ा हंस सकते हैं. So you just take longer intentional steps, like basically just take long and fast steps so that your body is used to always moving. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come back. Continue to walk. Getting into the momentum is the only hard part. The moment you start moving, एक बार move करने लग गए तो फिर हो जाता है. And it's not required for you to do like a lot. बस खुद के शरीर के लिए थोड़ा समय निकालना है. And let's start with stretching a little bit more. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out. 10 times. Breathe in. 1. In. 2. In. 3. In. 4. In. 5. In. 6. In. 7. In. 8. In. 9. And 10. Let go, relax. Take one step forward. One step forward, one step back like this. Always take support so that you're safe. And from the hips, push your hips back, push your waist or push your chest forward. कमर को पीछे और छाती को आगे पुश करना है. अब इसको और थोड़ा बेटर करने के लिए दोनों हाथों को पीछे ले जाओ. So that your shoulders are rolled back. You're not pushing your chest like this. Keep your upper body straight and then go down. Feel a stretch in your hamstrings, which is back of your thigh. पैर के पीछे थोड़ा स्ट्रेच फील होना चाहिए. कल हमने पैर का मूवमेंट किया था, तो आज थोड़ा सा उसको स्ट्रेच करेंगे. 3. Some of us who might have joined today, don't worry, it's okay. You can just continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Switch. And we will do it again 10 times, keeping your upper body straight. Look forward. 1, 2. पैरों के यहां पे आपको स्ट्रेच फील होगा. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. रिलैक्स. बहुत बढ़िया. अब आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है. या तो आप मेरे साथ आसान वाला करेंगे, या तो आप इनके साथ थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग वर्जन कर सकते हैं. तो आपको क्या करना है, हम अपर बॉडी पे काम करेंगे, बट इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर चैलेंजिंग, यू डू इट इन अ सुमो स्क्वाट पोजीशन. ओके, ऐसे. Anyone who has knee problem, if you feel tired, shift from here to here anytime. No need to push yourself too much. Be comfortable. Take your hands up and we start with punching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And relax. Every time you take a break, you come out of sumo squat. And go back again. Now this time we stretch both our hands and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Stretch your hands forward. Go back in sumo squat again. Elbows behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And go back again. This time keep your hands behind your head. अब आपको क्या करना है? एल्बोज को पीछे पुश करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let go. If you're not able to do 20, do only 10, do only 5. Try as much as possible. Stretch your hands out, come in sumo squat again, and then touch your hand to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. रिलैक्स. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हमने अभी तक जितनी एक्सरसाइज की उनको थोड़ा सा फास्ट और एक साथ करेंगे. द ओनली थिंग इज वी विल नॉट डू 20, वी विल डू ओनली 10 काउंट्स. All the exercises that we did, starting from 1 to the last one, continue doing it together. Every movement we do 10 times. So follow through, come back. फटाफट करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly bring it down. Relax. Settle down. आराम से बैठ जाओ. Now, what we do is keep your hands out. A little more mobility at the vertebra. Just move your body left to right like this. Don't push it too much. Simple movement. And you keep taking your hands slightly up. धीरे धीरे हाथों को ऊपर लेकर जाओ. जमीन पे नहीं बैठ पा रहे हो, बेड पे बैठो, चेयर पे बैठो, जहां बैठ के कर सकते हो. धीरे धीरे हाथ ऊपर ले जाओ. Hands are parallel to the floor. Slowly take your hands up. You will notice that hand positions change the muscle that we are working on or the area that we are working on. Keep moving up and all the way up. पूरा सीधा कर लो और अब धीरे धीरे नीचे ले आएंगे. Slowly start the downward journey. Keep coming down. And hands almost parallel to the floor. Try keeping your elbows as straight as possible. And then slowly go down. And relax. Stretch your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now left hand on the right knee. Take your right hand out and stretch your right hand towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do only the body allows. शरीर जितना अलाउ कर रहा है उतना ही स्ट्रेच करना है. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And change. Remember to not push your body too much. Only as much as the body is allowing you. उतना ही stretch करेंगे. Come on, go on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let go. Now we are going to work on the neck region a little bit more. Palms, pull your fingers towards you. Push your hands out and stay there. अब हाथों को बाहर पुश करना है और हाथों की उंगलियों को, फिंगर्स को अंदर की ओर पुल करना है. We will do this one hand at a time first. So make a fist, pull your elbows behind, push your hand out. Pull your elbow behind, push your hand out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it down. थोड़ा थोड़ा दुखेगा. अगर दुखे तो क्या करेंगे? ज्यादा मुस्कुराएंगे. Whenever it pains, you smile more. When you smile, your body releases endorphins. Endorphins are natural painkillers. Okay? And देखो स्ट्रगल तो थोड़ा होगा ही ना. मतलब जहां स्ट्रगल है वहीं स्ट्रेंथ है. कोई भी सिचुएशन आती है जहां हमने थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रगल किया हो, उससे हम स्ट्रांग बनते हैं. तो not of course too much, but a little bit struggle is good. Both hands together. Stretch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. ये स्माइल बहुत मुश्किल से करता है क्योंकि इसको दर्द ही नहीं होता है. Right? So the rule is you smile when it's painful. So if he doesn't smile, you have to understand that it's hardly anything for him. Stretch your hands out again. Pull your fingers in and now move your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it down. The second movement for the neck that we do, interlace your fingers. Let me come closer. Let me just do this. Interlace your fingers. Keep your hand under the collarbone. ये collarbone है, उसके नीचे आपकी जो skin है उसको पकड़ के रखेंगे. And you push your chin up. Bring your chin down. 1, 2, 3, as much as possible. 4, 5. Neck is a sensitive area. Be mindful about the movement. We are supposed to move. It should not pain you anywhere. अगर कहीं भी दर्द हो तो रुक जाएंगे. गर्दन थोड़ा सा डेलिकेट हिस्सा होता है शरीर का, तो अननेसेसरी दुख रहा है तो भी जानबूझ के करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं करना है. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. The next one, take ears down as much as possible. This is very slow and gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. पेन फ्री मूवमेंट शुड बी पेन फ्री. इसमें कहीं पे भी आपको कुछ भी दर्द जैसा लगे, मूवमेंट कम कर लो. यू कैन रिड्यूस द मूवमेंट एनी टाइम एंड रिलैक्स. The next one is supposed to be the most important neck exercise for today's time. Because of our screens and mobiles, we look down all the time. So there is a possibility of someone developing a hump here. ऐसे वो गर्दन के पीछे थोड़ा बाहर आ जाता है, फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है नेक. तो उसको पीछे करने के लिए हम चिन टक करेंगे. क्या करना है? बहुत सिंपल है. ट्राई क्रिएटिंग अ डबल चिन. दैट्स द इजीएस्ट वे आई कैन टेल यू. ऐसा डबल चिन आनी चाहिए. फॉरवर्ड एंड बैक, forward and back. Okay, and then hold behind for 1 or 2 seconds. ऐसे फास्ट नहीं करना है, ठीक है? पीछे जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा पॉज लेंगे, फिर ढीला छोड़ेंगे, फिर पीछे जाएंगे. So the idea is to push back. Okay, forward you don't have to come too much, but because it should be clear to you, hence I'm pushing my neck forward. But ideally, this is how it should look like. But to amplify, I just try to show you a little more movement. Okay, पीछे जाना है, 1 आध सेकेंड वेट करना है, फिर वापस आ जाना है. Okay, go for it. Push back and forward, back, forward 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let go. The next one is funny. It's called the Bharatnatyam pose. Basically, we want the head to move like this. So for that, you'll have to give direction by keeping your hands like this. And try touching your ear to the hand. Now, I'm sure some people are going to do this, which is okay. Just do as much as possible. हम लोग 5 साल से सिखा के थोड़ा अच्छा करने लग गए. पहले हमसे भी नहीं होता था. अभी भी कोई बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है ऐसा नहीं है, बट धीरे धीरे कुछ तो इम्प्रूवमेंट आ ही जाता है. When you practice something for a longer duration, there will always be improvement that you can see. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. नहीं हो रहा है कोई बात नहीं. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. The last one, what we do is push our chin up, make a half circle, push our chin up, make a other half circle. 10 times of this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. And the last, especially for the muscle around the neck to support it better, stretch your hands forward like this. दोनों हाथ को ऐसे रखो. अब आपको क्या करना है? उल्टा नमस्ते करना है. So this is not what we want. We don't have to do this. What we are doing is keeping the contact maintained. We are just doing an ulta namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Same movement को अब ऊपर करना है. So join your hands together in a namaste. Take your hands up. And we do reverse. So now don't do this. ऐसे don't stretch. Keep your shoulders relaxed and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it down. Relax. अब हम आराम से बैठेंगे. अच्छा, वैसे हम आराम से ही बैठे थे और कुछ आसन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. स्टार्टिंग विथ मार्जरी आसन. सो come on your fours. Working on the spine is important. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. And relax. Lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाओ. और जिनको पेट पे लेटने की दिक्कत हो वो मेरे साथ फॉलो करेंगे. Point your toes out. पैरों की उंगलियों को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है. Lift your right leg up. Keep your keep your phones in front of you. Keep your phones in front of you so that it's easy for you to see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue to breathe. सांस लेते रहेंगे. सांस रोकनी नहीं है कहीं भी. जब तक ऐसे बोलो नहीं, hold your breath. You have to always keep breathing. Okay? Focus your attention on the breath and keep breathing. Lift your other leg up. Continue to breathe long and deep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let go. Make a fist of your hand. Keep it under your groin. We will lift both our legs up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring it down. Relax. I hope anyone who has any physical issues, like हर्निया है या कोई स्लिप डिस्क है या कुछ है, तो आप प्लीज डॉक्टर से बात करिए. इन दी ओरिएंटेशन वी यूजुअली मेंशन टू नॉट ज्वाइन. By chance, if you missed and you're still joined, please consult your doctor before joining these sessions. Hands under your shoulders. Lift your head up, chest up. Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana is our smiling cobra. So you show your teeth in Bhujangasana. Make a funny sound. He. Be like a small kid. छोटे बच्चों की तरह एकदम खुले मन से करेंगे. घर में कोई सुन ले तो कोई बात नहीं. And relax. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle. Dhanurasana. Lift up. और जो नहीं कर पाते धनुरासन, पैर नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हो, तो आपके लिए इजी वेरिएशन है कि बस आप यहाँ पे होल्ड करेंगे. और पेट पे नहीं लेट पा रहे तो लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहे बैठे बैठे. And bring it down. Relax. Today we will practice Vipreet Shalabhasan ka progression. Vipreet Shalabhasan is your hands and legs together up like this. अब कुछ लोग ये कर पाएंगे, कुछ लोगों के लिए चैलेंजिंग होगा, but this is one of the best asanas for strengthening the back. What we do to begin with, one hand and one leg up, and then other hand and other leg up. So इसको 10 times practice करना. Breathe in, lift your right hand and left leg, and breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. कर सकते हो तो दोनों एक साथ हाथ और पैर ऊपर उठा के देखो हो रहा है क्या, और धीरे धीरे नीचे आ जाओ. See if you can do it with both your hands and both your legs up together, or we will do one at a time. Up, down, 5. Up, down, 6. Up, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. Relax. Makarasana. Bring any leg closer to the chest and relax your whole body. Turn around, lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. Ardha Halasana, hands under your glutes. Lift your legs up at 90 degrees. Try keeping your knees slightly bent if you want to make it easier. घुटनों को थोड़ा सा मोड़ ले अगर आपको आसान करना हो तो. धीरे धीरे नीचे ले आओ और एक बार दोबारा पैरों को ऊपर ले जाओ. So for once you can see, and in the second time you try to do it better. Ardha Halasana, legs up. And slowly hold your feet. पैरों को पकड़ लो हाथों से. Happy baby pose. So you like a baby, you're smiling, you're happy, and you're moving. Massage your lower back. And let go. Prepare for Setu Bandhasan. Heels close to your body. Knees pointing the ceiling. Lift your waist up. कमर को ऊपर उठाए. नीचे ले जाए. One more time. Lift up. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Let go. Supta Kapotasana, inverted pigeon. Keep your one ankle on the other thigh and bring your knee closer to the chest. And if you find this challenging, keep your legs straight out and do Ardha Pavan Muktasana. And let go. The other side. And let go. We'll repeat again. This is one of the most amazing stretches that you can do before sleeping. सोने से पहले अगर आप ये करते हो तो दिन भर का पूरा स्ट्रेस जो आपके लोअर बैक में इकट्ठा होता है वो रिलीज हो जाता है. And also very helpful for sciatica. Again, stretch left ankle on the right thigh. सुप्त कपोतासन दोबारा करेंगे. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. The other side. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. Extend your hands 90 degrees to the body. Join your feet, join your knees together. पैरों को घुटनों को एक साथ जोड़ लो. Turn your head to the right, drop your knees to the left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Turn your head to the left and drop your knees to the right. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. रिलैक्स. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. इसमें आपको सांसों को भी ढीला छोड़ना है. यू हैव टू रिलैक्स योर ब्रेथ एज वेल. लेट इट फ्लो ऑन इट्स ओन. सांसें अपने आप चल रही है. आप बस विश्राम कर रहे हैं. यू आर रिलैक्सिंग कंप्लीटली. ड्रॉप ऑल योर एफर्ट्स. सभी प्रयत्नों को छोड़ दीजिए. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Mentally, we will chant 3 times. I am healthy, I am happy. बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट के साथ 3 बार मन में संकल्प लेंगे. मैं स्वस्थ हूं, मैं खुश हूं. And slowly turn to your right side. Take a pause here. And sit up. आराम से उठ के बैठ जाए. Stretch your hands up for Parvatasana. And Yoga Mudra. Make a fist of your right hand, hold your right wrist with your left, forward and down. पूरा सर जमीन को लगे ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. Slowly come back up. And let's end with Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Left hand Chin Mudra. Right hand, index and middle finger between your eyebrows. Thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left nostril. Breathe out. Starting from the left side, breathe in. Close the left, breathe out right. Breathe in right. Close the right, breathe out left. Breathe in left. Close the left, breathe out right. Continue on your own. खुद से करते रहिए। और आपको अगर और ब्रीदिंग प्रैक्टिस करना है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में एक लिंक है, उस पर क्लिक करके आप अपना ब्रीदिंग और एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो फॉर 10-15 मिनट्स। Thank you so much again. We'll see you tomorrow. Thursday is our core and laughter day. Tomorrow again for 10 minutes, we will use music and movement. Okay? See you tomorrow. Bye bye.